Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off autoplay videos on Twitter. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Twitter app. Then let me open up NASA page. I know they got some videos here, and as you can see, when I scroll down the page, video start playing automatically without hitting Add Play button. If you want to toggle off this feature, all you have to do is just first hit At Home button, then tap at your profile picture, then Settings and Support, Settings and Privacy. Then you can scroll down for a bit and get into Accessibility, Display and Languages, then Accessibility, and now you should scroll down until you find Add Motion section, Video Autoplay. By default, it is set to on cellular or Wi-Fi. You can tap on that and switch it to only on Wi-Fi or to never, just like that. Now, if I'll open up NASA profile again, I can scroll down this page, and as you can see, video are no longer playing automatically. Now, in order to play a video, you should tap at that play icon. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Twitter tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.